Concept of inequalities. Have you ever tried to understand how your mobile phone or tablet uses a mobile network or a Wi-Fi? Generally, a mobile phone or tablet uses Wi-Fi when you are near to a Wi-Fi point or hotspot, and a mobile network like 3G or 4G when you are away. How does your phone know which network to connect to? How does it roam from one network to another, or even within one cellular network from one mobile tower to another? Your mobile phone, in fact, uses the concept of inequality to help it in making the decision. Before discussing it further, let us know the symbols used to form an inequality. The symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal form an inequality. To illustrate how a mobile phone or a tablet chooses a network, let us discuss a scenario. A mobile user is traveling between a mobile tower and a Wi-Fi access point. If the signal strength transmitted by both the mobile tower and the Wi-Fi is the same, then the selection of the network will depend on the distance of the user from these networks. Here, we assume that the signal strength of both the networks is the same. Whenever the user is nearer to the mobile tower, his mobile will use the mobile network. Otherwise, it will use Wi-Fi. Let X denote the distance of the user from the mobile tower, and Y denote his distance from the Wi-Fi access point. Let us write a pair of inequalities to describe the conditions that determine whether a mobile phone connects to the mobile network or the Wi-Fi. The mobile phone connects to the mobile network if X is less than Y, and it connects to Wi-Fi if X is greater than or equal to Y. To put more light on the concept of inequalities, let us consider another situation. Have you ever been to a movie theater, amusement park, or a zoo? All these attractions charge admission prices that you can think about in terms of inequalities. If you have ever purchased tickets for your family, you have probably worked with inequalities without even knowing them. Many family-friendly attractions charge different admission prices for children and adults. For example, at a zoo, the price of a one-day adult pass for anyone aged 12 years or more is $46, whereas the price of a one-day child pass for the children aged between 3 years to 12 years costs $36. We can write a pair of inequalities to describe the conditions that determine whether a person is considered an adult or a child. If X represents a person's age in years, then a person is considered an adult. If X is greater than or equal to 12, and a child if X is greater than 3 but less than 12. Two real numbers, or two algebraic expressions related by the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to form an inequality. Thus we see inequalities can be used to describe everyday situations all the time.